So it's still swirling around. I did a good swish with this, getting it moving really well before I poured in the mixture with the potassium metabisulfite. And now it is turning color, which tells you it's having the effect of killing the yeast in there, which is, something that you'd rather not have to do, but you do have to do. First, for flavor, you don't want wine that tastes of yeast. Secondly, you don't want bottles that explode, which could happen if the yeast keeps working in there. You'll see the topper get some excess gas escaping now, which is a little bit more yeast action as things change in the mixture. But now in just a few days, it'll rebound back to the pink, and it can sit here then as long as we want, but usually we bottle within a week of this step. There have been times where we've had all our bottles full and we made another batch, and we just leave it in the big carboys for a while until we can bottle. This is a country fruit wine, rhubarb apple, so it should be drunk young, which means you don't want to store this wine for long periods of time. I have had it a little bit over a year, and it still tasted great. So it doesn't have to be guzzled super quickly, but it is not a storing and aging wine like a Cabernet, a dark red wine you would store and keep, and those flavors would continue to develop. This wine is ready to drink young. So as soon as it's finished, start enjoying it. So I'm going to rack the second carboy now, and then add the rest of the mixture for the yeast, and we'll be all set. In a few days, I'll show you bottling.